Good morning students, welcome back to online classes. This video is for class first and subject is English reader. बेटे we have done 9 chapter of this book. Class first के 9 chapter हम लोग complete कर चुके हैं. Today we will read chapter 10. तो मैंने आपको homework दिया था. I hope आपने read कर लिया होगा. मेरे साथ साथ भी आज आप read करेंगे. तो get ready quick, take out your books and open chapter 10. It is on page number 62, your chapter 10. What is the name of chapter 10? Read करने की कोशिश करें. The clever frog. The clever frog. Clever means चतुर, होशियार कह सकते हैं. Frog means मेंढक. Okay? चतुर, होशियार, मेंढक. तो हम इस चैप्टर में सिर्फ रीडिंग करेंगे. ओके, यू जस्ट स्पीक विद मी. इट वॉज अ हॉट डे. द सन वॉज शाइनिंग ब्राइटली इन द स्काई. अ लिटिल फ्रॉग वॉज जंपिंग हियर एंड देयर. ही वॉज फीलिंग वेरी हॉट एंड टायर्ड. सडनली he saw a pond filled with water. He quickly jumped into it. The frog swam in the cool water for a long time. He felt better. Next, he came out of the pond. He started looking for a cool place to rest. He saw a big rock. He jumped onto it. Then he looked around. He spotted a bush on the top of a hill. He thought, that seems to be a good place to rest. He started hopping towards it. There was a tiger sitting under a tree. He was looking for food. He saw the frog and thought, I am hungry and cannot find any big animal. Let me eat this frog at once. He pounced on the frog and caught him. Next page, page number 63. The frog was very afraid, but he was clever. He said, wait, Mr. Tiger, I know you want to eat me, but I am so dirty. Let me wash myself first, then you can eat me. I'll बोल सकते हैं. I will be clean and tasty to eat. The tiger thought for some time. Then he said, I think you are right. I should not eat a dirty frog. I can be sick. Go and wash yourself quickly. I am waiting here for you, but come back soon. Saying this, the tiger let the frog go. Hop, hop, hop. The frog hopped to the pond and jumped into it. Then he waved to the tiger. The tiger smiled at him. Then frog turned around. He swam away as fast as could. Soon the tiger could not see him anywhere. The tiger went near the pond. He waited and waited for the frog to come out. He waited for a very long time. Then he lay down by the side of the pond. Soon he was fast asleep. तो बेटा रीडिंग तो हम लोग कर चुके हैं. हार्ड वर्ड्स टिक कर लेते हैं. ओके, you will write these hard words in your notebook on only one page. 1 पेज पर ही आप ये हार्ड वर्ड लिखोगे, ठीक है बेटे। Do these hard words in your notebook. It is your homework today. Okay? हार्ड वर्ड एक बार से रीड कर लेते हैं। शाइनिंग, ब्राइटली, जंपिंग, क्विकली, जम्प्ड, स्पॉटेड, SPOT स्पॉट, TTED स्पॉटेड, थॉट, नेक्स्ट है हॉप्ड और वेटेड। दीज आर द हार्ड वर्ड्स ऑफ दिस चैप्टर एंड सम word meaning also. You just see these are the word meaning of this chapter. Just take a screenshot of your mobile screen so that you can write easily. आप अपने मोबाइल की स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें, वर्ड मीनिंग भी आपको दिखाई दे जाएंगे। तो आपको वर्ड मीनिंग और हार्ड वर्ड्स होमवर्क में अपनी नोटबुक में नोट डाउन करने हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम चैप्टर ट्रांसलेट करेंगे। टिल देन स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम।